All right, here's the car. It has been here waiting to be repaired for 6 months. The dealership is awesome. The repair people are awesome. They've been doing everything they can do. And it's an amazing car. The CT6 with the 3-liter twin turbo, amazing car. It handles like beyond your expectations. But they're waiting for a couple of parts. Apparently the radio doesn't work because it got hit, and they're waiting for a seat warmer. So we're looking at a car that has been here for 6 months, and the only reason it can't be fixed is because General Motors cannot provide 2 parts. For the last 3 months they've been calling the factory and saying, where is the part? And the factory says, oh, we don't have the part. So the car sits here. The battery is dead now. In fact, I just tried opening it with the remote. Let's see. Yeah, here's the remote. And it's been here so long, it won't open. Well, that's life. I get an oil change and a new battery and all that cool stuff. But boy, what an incredible car to drive. It's fast, it handles well, it's just an amazing car. Just an amazing car. And yes, they've stopped production, and apparently General Motors has stopped even providing parts to repair the car. So if you have any questions, let me know. Bye-bye.